In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive in Office 365. If you found that OneDrive automatically saves your documents and you'd prefer to manage your files differently, you're in the right place. We'll guide you step by step through the process of disconnecting OneDrive from your Office 365 apps like Word, ensuring that your files won't be automatically saved to this cloud service anymore. Firstly, you'll need to open a Microsoft Office 365 application like MS Word. You may be used to storing and saving documents within Word, and typically, when you save a document here, it automatically syncs to your OneDrive account. This is often convenient, but if you aim to manage file storage independently from the cloud, turning off this feature becomes essential. Once you've opened MS Word, open a document and hit Save. You'll notice that the document automatically chooses OneDrive as the saving destination. Now, if you wish to disconnect this automatic save functionality, head over to the Options menu, where you'll find the control center for your app settings. Here, look for Privacy Settings. It's crucial to navigate to this section because it allows you to modify how and where your app connects and interacts with cloud services like OneDrive. Within the privacy settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled All Connected Experiences. This section is vital as it encompasses options tied to how applications interact with connected services. OneDrive falls under this umbrella. Uncheck the relevant box associated with OneDrive to disconnect it. Once you've done that, confirm the change by clicking OK. Remember, this step changes the configuration, telling Office 365 not to auto-connect with OneDrive for saving files. After making this change, you'll need to restart MS Word. It's an essential step because the app needs to refresh and apply the new settings, ensuring that OneDrive no longer serves as the default save destination. Upon reopening Word, documents will no longer auto-save to OneDrive, giving you complete control over where and how you save your documents. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled OneDrive in Office 365. It's a straightforward yet effective way to manage your own saving preferences and keep your documents stored locally or elsewhere as you see fit. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has provided you with the clarity needed to take control of your document management in Microsoft Office 365. Make sure to check back for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.